Hi, Larry Gaines, PowerCycleTrading.com. In this video, I'm going to do a series of videos on how to identify and spot a market bottom. So step one in this video is first you want to look at where's the key major areas of support. And the other thing I like to do is I like to take out kind of a proxy for the market, which a lot of times is going to be something like an Apple, which makes up such a huge percentage of the NASDAQ 100, etc. And a lot of traders and institutions follow it. So first off, let's see with Apple where it's been. So here's a weekly long-term chart. So what I like to do is take a measurement, kind of a Fibonacci extension measure move from prior swing highs to low long-term. So here's one going back to February 2020. To the low here in March. Okay, then the second one was right here in August of 2020 to the low here in September, and then the next one was this smaller one right here. This came in October of 2020 and then to the low of November. So if you look at these measured moves, this is what we come up with based on this. So we're currently right here based on this prior high to low that was back in October. So the market here is going to, dig in for potential support here. Now, if this support level goes, the next area is going to be here, right about, I'd call it 115, and then the big area is 110. Now, also right here, if you look here to this 110, when you get down to this area here, that's going to be about currently we're down about 18% from the high to low with Apple from 145 to 118. And a move here to this kind of 115 area down to 112, that's going to be around about a 22% return. So that's one thing I like to look at. Next thing is key moving average support. So the big support really is right here on that 50 at 105, but let's flip it down to the daily. So if we look at the daily time frame here with Apple, what do we have as for support from a moving average standpoint? Well, we've got right here the big key to me is right there, 112. That's the 200-day moving average. So with Apple, it's going to it's close to kind of in a bottoming area. It could have one big push again down towards this 112, but that's where it's going to definitely, in my opinion, would be the final holding area here, and that comes into a Fibonacci extension retracement level too. So big level 112, 110, and then if you do the same kind of analysis on the QQQ, let's take a look. So a quick review of QQQ, looking at the same areas that we looked at Apple. Here's the high to low back for the March 20 period. Here's the other high-low, same as Apple, high-low here. So looking at the support levels based on those measurements, you could see that we're coming close. This 308, I'd say put it kind of down here to this 21 period moving average, 306, 308, and then a bigger one would be here at 294. And then looking at the daily time frame for key moving average support, you can see that we've broken through that 50, so that's key. So tomorrow you want to look at this, any retracement failure going into 320, you want to short that failure. But I think that the big support area is right here at 304. So this is kind of step one. Step two, I'll go into in my next video. So make sure to stay tuned and good luck trading.